Hey there.
Hola.
I'm old Greg.
I'm Josh.
What you doing in my room?
Oh, I'm just playing Rock Band.
What's drumstick doing in my head?
It's not mine.
Then why do you only have one, Malika?
I don't know.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Look, Greg. I gotta go. I want some ice cream. Can I please go?
Do you love me?